Hi guys, and welcome to U-Wrench. Today working on the Grand Caravan 2008 through 2021. Same applies for the Chrysler Town Country. And in this particular video we're going to be looking at how to replace your fan blower resistor. Let's do it. So the front blower motor and also the resistor are located on the passenger side of the car, up underneath the glove box area. So let's take a look. So right at the back here we have two size 7 screws. You can see one just there, and there's another one just in there. So we need to get those two removed. So next we've got two little plastic trim clips, one just there and another just over to the other side, just up under there. They're just little plastic trim clips, so you just need to get kind of a screwdriver or ideally something forked underneath the head and lever that off. Now we can just go ahead, just remove this carpeted section, put that to one side. So with our carpet dropped down out of the way, we can see we've got access. This is the unit right here, this is your resistor. And we've got two electrical connectors right there, and we've got a couple of Torx screws, one on either side. So you've got these two electrical connections. Let's look at getting those removed first. Got a little pinch tab just on the top of them. Need to pinch that down and just pull those out. Let's do exactly the same on the other one just there. Little pinch tab just on the top there, and then give that a wiggle forward and get that one removed as well. Next you're going to need a Torx size 20 for these couple of little screws on either side here. And then to remove this unit, you've got like a little plastic clasp, and unfortunately it's on the bottom and the top. There we go. Let's draw the whole unit forward, and that's it removed. So there we go, that is our blower resistor removed, and so you can either test this or replace it or do whatever it is you need to do. Obviously to replace this, very simple. You just put it back up into the hole, pop your two screws back in, and then pop your electrical connectors back in. Your electrical connectors are also different sizes. This one has 3 pins, this one has 2, but they're completely different sizes, so you can't get them mixed up the wrong way. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If this video has been helpful for you, please be sure to at least hit that like button before you leave us here on YouTube, and also please consider subscribing. It really does help us out. Thanks for watching guys, see you again.